Zhuhai QinLi Machinery Company Limited is located in the port city of Zhuhai City, Guangdong Province, China, which is a beautiful and economically developed coastal city. As a fast-growing company, we focus on industrial bakery equipment manufacturing and striving to be the most professional company in the field of offering technical service. We always pay attention to the development of barking production industry with a global view, and have participated the exhibition of the United States, Australia, Malaysia, and other countries, and customers throughout the 5 continents under the strive of our team. Multitude of professional engineers, independent R&D office, high-tech enterprise qualification, many patents, which make it possible to provide cost-effective and high-productivity bread production line to our customers. Our products are recognized by customers in many countries, such as Australia, Brazil, Oman, Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, etc. With the help of advanced equipment, precise detection, senior development team, experienced senior technicians, and passionate sales operation team, the performance of Zhuhai QinLi Machinery Company Limited is breakthrough year after year. Our main products, industrial bakery equipment, are including hamburger, hot dog, tortilla, Arabic pita production line, dough divider rounder, dough chunker and elevator, dough molder and panning machine, proofer, dough pump, etc. Inspired by the enterprise spirit of keep improving, unite with cooperation, and serve customers, we will focus on researching and innovating of product technology and service as always.